Hello guys, today in this video we are going to tell you how to cancel your BioCleanse subscription. The official website is try BioCleanse. Okay, so if you have purchased any product and by mistake if you have chosen subscription model, so how you can cancel it. So there are two methods by which you can cancel your subscription very easily. The first method is like online and the second method is like via offline. Okay, so the first method is like you need to visit on the official website, and once you are on the official website, there is a option at the very you can say like bottom side. I want to show you something. You can see on your screen at the very bottom side there is a option like manage subscription. Okay, and when you select manage subscription button, it will pop up a new window. On this window you will see there is an option like your email address. You need to enter your email address and you need to click on send subscription login link. Once you hit this button, they will send you a link in your email, on your email, and you need to click on the email link, and then you will be logging into your subscription page and you can cancel your subscription. If they are not you guys like if you are not receiving any email on your email, please check your spam folder also. If this method will not work for you, you can also do one thing. You can contact your credit card provider, because in today's time there are so many websites, they are making scams, and this kind of scam is very common in today's time. Like the only last way to cancel this kind of subscription is like you need to cancel your credit card. You need to call credit card provider, you need to make a request like you want to cancel your credit card, and you need to get a new credit card. Okay, and once you get new credit card, your credit card number will change and your CVV number will change. Then your all the unwanted subscription will automatic ended. Okay, so this is the only last option to cancel your subscription, and these are the two ways by which you can cancel your subscription. There is no other way in the market or in on the internet by which you can cancel your subscription. Okay, so hopefully you understand now how to cancel your subscription of try BioCleanse. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.